Hello and Assalamualaikum. Today I would like to talk and telling you guys about plastic pollution. What is plastic pollution? Plastic pollution causes harm to human creatures and plants through harmful poison. It can require hundreds or even millions for plastic to spread so the natural harm is enduring. It influences all living beings in the natural way of life from small species like tiny fish through the whale. What is the main cause of the plastic pollution? It is negligence. What are the reasons for plastic pollution? Negligence is the main cause, truth be told. It is assessed that 80% of marine litter come from land. This pollution comes primarily from family squander, which is poorly recycled and loaded in landfill or deserted in nature. So, from what I'm going to tell you guys is, please don't ignore something that very easy you can take but hard to be destroyed. It might be not be talking. Yes, we know, just like what we know that plastic don't have soul. It's human creation. Human create, but human also destroy the environment because of the plastic and something very chemical and hard to be destroyed that will be destroyed us too slowly. Why plastic waste a problem? Because plastic and their ingredients are pervading our ocean and waterways, attacking the collection of people and attempt life, and filling landfill with new and once used plastic. The Ecology Center suggests disposing of plastic from your life however much as could be expected. Nowadays, what we can see that not all people follow the rules, follow the suggestions. It's still more of them use plastic in shopping mall, in their business, because people ask for that. But some of them refuse to have plastic in their life because they already know the effect. What are the effects of plastic pollution? This is what I want to discuss with you all. Marine species ingest or are entrapped by plastic trash, which causes extreme want and death. Plastic contamination compromises sanitation and quality, human health, waterfront, the travel industry, and contribute to climate change. Why should we avoid plastic? Animals can also easily become entangled in this plastic, are harmful to human health. Plastic parts in the sea, for example, those from plastic pack carry 10 poisons which are known to be chemical upsetting synthetic compounds. Why plastic is bad for the environment? Plastic pollution causes harm to human, animal, and plants through toxic pollutants. It can require hundreds or even of years. It can require hundreds or even thousands of years for plastic to break down so the environment damage is long-lasting. Its influence or life form in the natural way of life from minuscule species like tiny fish through the whales. The question is plastic good or bad? There is surely acceptable plastic and shareable plastic. Its relationship with well-being hazard is on the ground that most plastic contain synthetic that are known as chemical disruptor, and they can drain into food and drink. Plastic are produced using oil, a non-sweetenable material, and it takes enormous volume of landfill space. So, for our this generation, we are trying to make the plastic in more good way, which is a scientist try to make the plastic can be destroyed easily and not harm in the nature and human. What are the disadvantages of plastic? The disadvantage of using plastic product. It is harmful nature. Disposable plastic used in packaging foodstuff meant for human consumption contain harmful compound. So what I should to tell you guys that plastic seriously are very, very half of our life, because the business foods and the business food that we know nowadays is mostly using plastic for their packaging. I mean, if we want to refuse this plastic in our life, we should suggest to the seller and the business people to using other material to be their packaging. For example, just like a box or something that we eat on the plate in the restaurant. What are the disadvantages of plastic? It is a low melting point, because plastic for the most part have a low dissolving point, so they can't be utilized where warmth levels are high. This additionally implies they can't be utilized as defensive boundary for heaters. Some plastic items are profoundly combustible. Polystyrene, acrylic, polystyrene, and nylon, usually utilized in bundling home and office machines. This makes them a fire danger. It is also environmental degradation. Plastics are generally non-biodegradable, hence they may take centuries to decay. That's about the bad thing about the plastic.